Hello everyone. Welcome to the introductory video of our Container Deployment series. In this video series, I will guide you through deploying Bold BI using single and multi-container images with various Docker deployment options. Let's begin this journey. First, let me explain what a container is. A container is an executable software package that contains an application and its dependencies. It provides standalone and reproducible static files, ensuring consistency across different environments. Now let's explore the types of containers. When running a Docker image, it creates a container. Docker images serve as blueprints, while containers are running instances. Similarly, running a multi-container Docker image starts multiple interconnected containers. Next, let's see the differences between single and multi-container images. A single container image encapsulates all the services and components of the application within a container. On the other hand, a multi-container image isolates each service or component of an application in separate containers. Single container images are suitable for simple applications with shared runtime environments. Multi-container images are ideal for complex applications, offering scalability and minimal maintenance. Single container images are commonly used in development and testing environments, whereas multi-container images are used in production environments. Moving on to the benefits of deploying Bold BI in containers. Bold BI container images optimize resource utilization by sharing the host machine's operating system kernel. They provide rapid deployment as they are lightweight and have a quick startup time, making it easier to scale based on demand. Container images can be versioned and stored in image registries, allowing for a clear history of changes and enabling users to work with specific versions. Next, let's see the architecture of Bold BI container images. Bold BI container images support both ARM and AMD architectures. ARM processors are commonly used in mobile devices and embedded systems and are known for their power efficiency. AMD processors, on the other hand, are widely used in desktops, laptops, and servers, offering competitive performance as an alternative to Intel processors. Lastly, let's discuss the prerequisites for deploying Bold BI containers. You can find the necessary prerequisites in the help documentation link provided in the description of this video. In this video, you saw the concepts of containers, differences between single and multi-container images, benefits of deploying Bold BI in containers, and prerequisites for deploying Bold BI containers. In the next video, I will demonstrate how to deploy Bold BI single container Docker image with Docker Compose. Thank you for watching.